Welcome to the HR Learning Hub, where we decode HR concepts, dive into people analytics, and learn how to tell stories, not just share numbers. In previous video, we created these two charts: actual versus ideal bell curve, before versus after calibration rating comparison using line charts. And we also connected the slicer. I have tagged the link for those videos above in case you missed to watch those. In this video, we will create stacked column chart to analyze employees' tenure versus the ratings. Let's begin. Let's go to data sheet, insert, pivot table. We have a calculation sheet where we are creating all our pivot tables. Click on add this data to data model. If you've seen previous videos, you know this is important to get the slicer connected with our pivot tables. Let's rename the pivot table rating_tenure. Calibrated rating goes to column, tenure group goes to rows, employee name at the values. Keep the cursor in pivot table, go to insert, recommended charts, stacked column. Okay. Let's give it a chart title. Chart title, employee rating basis tenure. We bring it to our dashboard. Let's do some formatting. We can have this at the bottom. Insert data labels. Some more formatting for the chart title. Now we have to connect the slicer to this chart. Come to slicer, right click, report connections. Rating_tenure is the name of our pivot table. We select that. OK. Same goes for this slicer. Right click, report connections. Connect it with rating_tenure pivot table. Let's check. We click on finance. All of this gets updated, including our latest table. IT, again, this gets updated. Adding border again. This chart is important to understand how rating is distributed across different tenures. If large number of employees in 0 to 1 year of tenure are getting 4 or 5, it indicates fast ramp up or strong early performance. But there are still some important questions to be asked. Is this early high performance sustainable, or are we rating potential as performance? If there are many tenured employees with one rating, is there a need of reskilling of tenured employees? These data and slicers help us analyze the data and ask the right questions at the right time. That's it for this video. If you're finding this series helpful, would love to know your views. Do share your comments, like, share and subscribe to show the support. Bye-bye for now. Until next time, keep learning.